Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification, and make sure you hit that thumbs up. Today's video, I'm going to tackle my linen closet, aka towel closet. It's time to declutter, paint. It's time to give this closet a makeover. So this is my linen closet. As you can see, it is a mess, okay? First of all, I want to do something with the door, because when I first purchased my home, right here they had a different knob that I didn't like, and then I ended up getting this knob further down for whatever reason. I don't know why I didn't just exchange it. I don't remember, because it's been a couple of years. I've been meaning to change that out, maybe get something longer like a handle. I want to add like a trim around it, you know, to give it a different look. Like I said, it's been a couple of years and I've never done it, but I'm inspired this week. Hopefully that energy don't go away. If you see in the shadow, this is from my hallway light. I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, and if you're not, make sure you are on Miss Dill's Finder. I posted some towels that Target had on sale, like really good towels, and that inspired me to do a linen closet makeover, because clearly, as you can see, this is a mess. So I purchased some new towels because it's pointless for me to have all these different types of towels. I love white towels for my husband and I, but when it comes to the kids and guests, I want to do like gray, It's easier to wash. I want to get rid of all this, so I want to do this over. I don't know what is going on in these baskets. I got these baskets from Dollar Tree. I want to get some other baskets and maybe get those other type of baskets to put in here, so I could put the washcloths in here and get rid of majority of these washcloths, because I don't know what's going on in here. I don't want, when I open it, I don't want to see this. And this is like my robes, shower curtain. And then when we come on this roll, this is like my smelling good roll. Again, I don't know what's going on in here, so we want to get that together right here. The final row is my candle section. What you're seeing right now, these are some candles that I got. I have not done any reviews on it. I should, but I don't know if I want to give y'all my plug. Let me know in the comment section if y'all want to know about these candles right here. Trust me, they are a competition to Bath and Body Works. And if you are following me on Instagram, you know I already told you where these candles came from. If you watch my story on Instagram, Miss Dill's Finder, you would already know the plug. I usually, when I'm done burning it, you know, the residue that's left, I leave it because I melt it out. I remake the candle basically. Stay tuned as I get everything out, and then we gonna fix this mess together, okay? So this other side is not so bad. This side is fine. I have my liquid soap, like my hand soaps up there. Down here I have my body soap, and then here I have like shampoo, deodorant, and stuff like that. So that's fine. Hygiene for a mouth. This side is better than that side. And then here I have this. I don't know why this is here, but whatever. Then if you go a little bit further down, I have this. These are light bulbs. I ordered the ones in a white box from Amazon, and I think I had like 24 in a pack for like, I don't remember how much it was, but it was really cheap. And these in a blue box, I got them from Home Depot. Okay, this is my medicine thing. Okay, I gotta fix that. I'm on Pinterest trying to come up with some ideas. Like, I want to do this DIY by myself, because if I'm waiting on my husband, it would never get done. So I want to put some wallpaper in the background and then paint in here. Just another thing that I want to fix, like when you close it, I want to remove this thing in the middle, because when you close it, it don't stay shut. I have a long list of things that I have to do here. I want to plan it out. I just wanted to show you guys the before, and then when I start working on it, I'll show you that part, me taking it out, everything, me cleaning everything out. So stay tuned for that. Again, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm always telling you guys, join the ministry. I don't want y'all to miss out. I want to do different things on this channel. I want to show y'all the stuff that I'm buying from these stores when I find the deals. I'm actually using it, you guys. I'm not just showing it to you just to show it to you. Like, for instance, I buy these for my sons. This is from Dollar Tree. I'm sure half of you recognize this stuff. I buy it for them. It works for them. This, of course, I didn't buy it from Dollar Tree. I purchased these like wholesale from Sam's. But you know, it's different little things. I think one time Dollar Tree had the Carry lotion. I purchased that. So what else I got here from Dollar Tree? And of course, the tooth floss toothpick thing. I got that. I got some in the back for braces because my son had braces. And what else? You know, like little knickknacks that I do find. The baskets, of course. All these baskets came from Dollar Tree. I want to get rid of them. I want to buy like something else. Like, this is so colorful. I tried spray painting it. Honey, it takes too much spray paint. I tried that with a different basket that I have in my cleaning supply closet. And it took a lot of spray paint to cover it. So I don't want to do that again. I may just remove these and post them on OfferUp. I'm gonna look at some ideas on Pinterest to see what else I could do in here. I want to introduce these new ideas on this channel, you know, like have a different playlist. Yes, this is about finding deals, but I also want you guys to see what I do with the stuff that I am purchasing from these stores. Because somebody asked me that. They was like, okay, the things that you buy, what do you do with them? And I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna do some haul. I just did my floors. Love them. I love the white floors. I gotta do my kids' room. I have not done that yet. So that's basically it, you guys. So stay tuned. I will be sharing with you the next phase of this makeover. So this is gonna be like a mini makeover for my linen closet / storage, okay? So I'm gonna check Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna check Ross. I'm gonna check DD's to see where I can get some baskets from. And I'm gonna look at Pinterest for some ideas. And you know, if I do find some, I'll link it also in the video. I'll show you clips of what my inspiration was behind my project. But I really gotta get this together. I'm going to start planning. Subscribe, like, and comment. See you next time.